Differing lengths, diameters, and colors of metal tubes are suspended to create an impressive sculptural statement. Finishes that include polished chrome, rose gold, black chrome, and polished brass. Each tube encases a replaceable integrated LED module. Easily adjustable wire length creates a dimensional sculpture of metallic art. Additional LED spots in the ceiling pan highlight the beautiful high gloss finish and supply additional downlight. Dimmable to set the mood. Available in large arrangements of multi or single colors or single pendants of various colors and sizes.